Want to remove the background from an image or video in Clipchamp? Background removal can help isolate a person or subject and create cleaner, more professional-looking videos. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove a background in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Import the image or video you want to edit and place it on the timeline. Select the image or video clip on your timeline. Then look through the available editing options for the Remove Background or Background Removal feature. The exact options can depend on the type of media you're using. Select the Background Removal option and let Clipchamp process the media. The tool will attempt to separate the main subject from the background. Processing time can vary depending on the media and project. Now carefully review the result. Look around the edges of the subject, especially around hair, hands, and other detailed areas. If the result isn't clean enough, try using a different image or improve the original media before applying the effect. Once the background is removed, you can place another image, video, or design element behind your subject. Move the new background layer underneath the foreground clip on the timeline. Next, resize and reposition the foreground subject so it fits naturally with the new background. You can also adjust the framing to create the composition you want. Yeah, a little repositioning can make the final result look much more natural. Play your project and check the entire clip. Make sure the background stays removed and that the subject remains properly positioned throughout the video. When everything looks good, select Export, choose your preferred video quality, and let Clipchamp create the final video. And that's how to remove a background in Clipchamp in 2026. Select your media, use the background removal tool, review the edges, add a new background if needed, preview your project, and export the final video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.